Hi there, this is Wayne's Audio, and this is our feature video for our universal turntable outer ring. This second generation universal turntable outer ring is made of 304L stainless steel. The outer ring itself weighs 3.2 pounds, while its additional weights weigh 0.6 pounds. Together, they weigh a whopping 3.8 pounds. Next, I'd like to introduce how to install this outer ring onto your turntable. First, place this outer ring onto the sitting or centering disc into the inline grids. Next, flip it over and it's ready to be installed. Make sure to place the centering hole onto the centering pin of the turntable and be careful not to hit the arm or the cartridge. This outer ring can be used to flatten records, which greatly improves the lifespan of your cartridge. Most importantly, this outer ring can greatly improve your listening detail. Thanks for watching. You can purchase this item from our website, www.waynesaudio.com, or you can find it on our AudioGon or eBay.